Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the most fascinating animals on the planet, the polar bear. These incredible creatures have captured the imaginations of people all over the world with their impressive size, strength, and beauty. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 10 facts about polar bears. Fact 1. First up, let's talk about the basics. Polar bears are the largest land predators on Earth, with adult males weighing up to 1,500 pounds and standing over 10 feet tall. They have a thick layer of blubber and fur that keeps them warm in the freezing Arctic temperatures, and their paws are specially adapted to grip the ice. Fact 2. Polar bears are excellent swimmers and can swim for long distances in search of food. They have been known to swim for up to 60 miles without stopping, and can even swim underwater for several minutes at a time. Their powerful front paws act like paddles, while their back legs and tail help them steer through the water. Fact 3. Speaking of food, polar bears are carnivores and primarily feed on seals. They use their keen sense of smell to detect the breathing holes in the ice where seals come up for air, and then wait patiently for them to surface. When a seal pops up, the polar bear will use its powerful jaws and sharp teeth to grab it and drag it onto the ice. Fact 4. Polar bears have an incredible sense of smell. In fact, it's one of the best in the animal kingdom. They can detect prey from over a mile away and can even smell a seal's breathing hole under 3 feet of snow. This amazing ability helps them find food even in the harshest of Arctic conditions. Fact 5. Female polar bears are pregnant for around 8 months and usually give birth to 1 or 2 cubs at a time. The cubs are born in a den made of snow and ice and are blind and helpless at birth. The mother bear will nurse her cubs for several months before teaching them how to hunt and survive on their own. Fact 6. Polar bears are considered a vulnerable species due to the impact of climate change on their habitat. As the Arctic ice melts, polar bears are losing their hunting grounds and are having to travel further and further to find food. This makes it difficult for them to survive and is a major threat to their population. Fact 7. Polar bears are incredibly intelligent animals and have been known to use tools in the wild. For example, they have been seen using blocks of ice to break through the roofs of seal dens and have even been observed using tools to catch fish in shallow water. Fact 8. Polar bears are solitary creatures and typically only come together during mating season. However, they are not always aggressive towards each other and have been known to engage in playful behavior, such as rolling around in the snow together. Fact 9. Polar bears have an important cultural significance for many indigenous peoples in the Arctic. They are often featured in traditional stories and art, and are viewed as symbols of strength, power, and resilience. Fact 10. Finally, let's talk about conservation efforts. Many organizations are working hard to protect polar bears and their habitat, including measures to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change. By supporting these efforts, we can help ensure that these magnificent animals continue to thrive in the wild for generations to come. Conclusion. And there you have it, our top 10 facts about polar bears. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and appreciate their importance in our Send a message.